Well, guys, we're gonna take a ride in a snowstorm, and this is being shot in 4K. Backing out of the garage, you can see the motorhome sitting there. Heading out into the snowstorm. This is shot with the DJI Action 2, by the way. You can see we're getting snow up here. I changed my settings on here. We're shooting in 4K, even though you may not be able to tell it. There's my house. The doors are open because I had the motorhome running. You got to fire it up. So. Here's Scott's place. I did my walk. I want to clarify, this is all of his place. The cabin there he just put in, that's a new one. But this is all at Scott's Adventure, or AKA Scott Johnston is his real name. That's his place. So. We're shooting 4K 30 frames per second. So I've been experimenting with the camera. You can see in my windshield view. You can see I got the Wonder Dog here with me. There he is. Taking him for a ride. He likes to go for walks and rides with me, so. Now we're getting in the snow, but time of year, but it's okay. It's already December. Car I'm driving is all-wheel drive, so I had no trouble getting around up here. Okay, we had it on the outside and I moved it back inside. It just snowing too hard on it, getting schmuck all over it. So I'm gonna ride around in here. A lot of snow. And plus I didn't have my remote mic, so that'd be something we'll try in the spring. This is winter at Whiskey Creek. There's only a handful of us that are actually up here right now. Everybody else is gone for the year. So you can see the blustery, the snow's just a blowing. Take a ride over to the lodge and check things out like I told them I would. So heading into the campground. I have permission to be in here. I told them I would keep an eye on it while they're not here. There's Lenny, Captain 250 FX's trailer sitting right there. The lodge looks kind of different up here in the winter months. We'll go take a ride around here. Go back to the back side of the lodge here. Double check everything. This is the back side of the lodge. That swimming hole over there. Their pond, I should say. And it's really blowing up here. This is actually the road right here. driving in this stuff is to keep moving. Go up the hill here.